All right, it is Sunday morning. Actually, it's the afternoon here at Lake Skinner. We are gonna go do some fishing. It is an aluminum boat fishing, and we just rented this nice fishing boat. It's an old boat, but it's a nice boat. Let's see. My captain. All right. Actually, it's a nice weather. It's a nice wind, a little cooler than the last couple of weeks, so we are good to go. We are right here in the middle of Lake Skinner. We just came from Temecula, and we just passed by a few winery. And anybody who hasn't been to Temecula, it's a lot of winery that we just passed by. Unfortunately, we are not a wine peeps, so it is a lot of nice winery area. We just passed by quite a few, so check it out if you're gonna be in the Temecula area. But we are excited here to catch something. I heard there's some trout, bass, bluegill, fish. They're biting today, so let's see what happens. Sometimes it just depends on your luck if you catch something out in the lake. I guess where your position is or where you're at, usually right close to the banks is a better fishing spot. So we're out here getting ready to fish, and there's my wifey. Say hello, my captain. She is the Titanic. Later on, probably she's going to be standing in front of the boat and saying, "I'm the queen of the world." Yeehaw! All right. So, hey guys, check out our new YouTube channel. It is Artanan Alice, and we got some few more videos on that channel, and just check it out. In a few more months we'll be doing some traveling, so you can see them out there. We'll post it out on Facebook and YouTube pretty much on both sides. So you guys take care. Hope everybody have a good Sunday, and you guys have a good day. Bye.